Australia burned, the Amazon chove, India, California, Canada all swallowed by wildfires. What's next? The problem is clear, but the solution isn't. Here we are, Skyborne. Not just a startup, but a new era of prevention, detection and response. Presenting our Generation 1 product, Ranger Rat.
Ranger Rat is a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed to fly 24/7, detecting wildfires and smoke plumes in the forested area. Now let's take a look at its feature set. Firstly, there is early wildfire detection. We also have forest health and deforestation monitoring. SOS search and rescue is also present. The flight time is longer compared to a normal quadcopter because of its VTOL design. The failure minimization reduces failures in the sky. And we also have a collaborative ecosystem which allows the drones to fly together. Here is the mission workflow for Ranger Rat. Firstly, the drone takes off and flies autonomously in the sky, all while avoiding obstacles and collision with birds. It then detects fires and smoke plumes and reports anything suspicious to the ranger's computer. It can also help detect SOS signal given by missing people in the forests. You can also descend into the smoke to help those people out and drop off a first aid kit. And lastly, we also have the option of autonomous return. As the battery level drops, the drone automatically returns to its base and another substitute Ranger Rat flies in its place.
Currently, the wildfire detection market is valued at $750 million and it is expected to grow to $1.2 billion with a promising growth rate of 5%, with North America comprising of 40%, Europe 30%, and the Asia Pacific region comprising of 23%. These are the revenue projections expected by us, with selling price per unit is 80,000 and which has a profit marginal rate of 37.5% on each unit.
Have you noticed that lithium-ion batteries have been gaining a lot of popularity recently? They have been advancing in terms of performance and price. Well, one of the few reasons is the EV revolution that has been dawning upon us. Well, the hobby community has surely taken notice, and because of that, they have tried building their own battery packs. Well, lithium-ion batteries do perform very well and offer significant performance advantages over traditional LiPo packs. They have a significant drawback. Well, one of that is irreplaceability. Presenting SuperPak, a super smart cell enclosure which is designed to make the batteries replaceable by allowing replacement of each individual cell themselves. It also offers cell health monitoring as well as charging via USB power delivery. Well, this is significant because now you do not need any specialized charger for charging your battery. You can simply use your smartphone or laptop charger. Such a cell enclosure presents huge opportunities in waste management of lithium-ion cells because the best solution to a waste management problem is to not create it in the first place.
These are the additional revenue we can generate with the additional services.
Now let's take a look at the business model. Firstly, there is initial revenue generated by the sale of the drones themselves. Then there is recurring revenue generated by the subscription that we are providing. Thirdly is the hardware revenue generated by the spare parts and the service packages we are offering. And lastly, there is always scope for future expansion.
Let's now take a quick look onto our SWOT analysis and now the impact. What if you just wake up and hear news like Western Ghats completely destroyed, Amazon forest burned to ashes? In 2023 alone, US lost 2.6 million acres of land to wildfires. This is just one country, 1 year. Ranger Rat would have been a very huge revolution for early detection of wildfires, and it could have led to early action. And now, these are the SDGs we are trying to meet by our venture, and this is the team behind Skyborne. Thank you.